Are you tired of watching your valuable leads slip away due to outdated forms on your website? Well, let's change that together with Engagebay. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a form in Engagebay using their online web form builder to capture more leads directly from your website. Engagebay offers two types of forms, Inline and Pop-up. For this tutorial, I'll be focusing on inline forms, which can be embedded to your website or shared independently as a URL. To start, you'll go to the Marketing module and navigate to Forms. Then select Inline Forms. Now, in the upper right corner, click Create Inline Form. Here, you can add a name to your form in the top left corner, then click Submit. Once you've done that, you can now choose between custom-made forms or create one yourself. Now that we know how to create an inline form, let's see how we can customize one that's already been made for us. Let's start by finding a form theme that we like, then selecting Choose. Under the Change Text sub-tab is where we can change the form text and adjust basic settings. In the left panel, we can add the form title, description, footer, and other settings while previewing the form on the right. If we click on the Look and Feel tab, Engagebay gives us the option to change the form font size, background color, button background, and text color. To customize existing fields, click the Field tab, where you can add more fields and change the text on the Submit button. Now your form is customized to fit your business website. But what if you want to dig deeper and configure your form settings? In the Settings tab, you'll find three sub-tabs in the left panel: Main Settings, Double Opt-in Email, and Autoresponder. Under the Main Settings, you can set the form success message, redirect URL, email notification, and who the email is from. You can also enable reCAPTCHA as long as you set up the integration under Account Settings, Integrations. Under Double Opt-in Email, you can also email your new subscriber to confirm their email address. Autoresponder sends out an autoresponder email once a visitor fills out the form. Alright, now we know how to create an inline form, customize it, and configure the form settings. Now let's save the form and find its embedded code. Once you're done with all of the configurations, click the Save button in the top right corner. This will generate an embed code that you can use to add the form to your website or share with your website developer. To access the code, click on the Publish tab. Here, Engagebay gives you the option to use Quick Share, which provides the form URL, or Code, which displays the embed code and source code. For another option, click the three dots next to the listed forms. Select the Code option to access the embed code. The permanent link of the form will be displayed for direct online access. Congratulations, you now know how to create a form using Engagebay. If you run into any issues, comment down below so our CRM experts can help you out. This is Emmanuel Jordan with TechRepublic. Until next time, head over to TechRepublic to learn more about Engagebay. Thanks for watching.